Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick test of my Bosch Professional GLL 30 laser level. It's supposed to be self-leveling. Okay, I have got a level set here on top of this Bondo can, and you can see that it's off level. Then I've got this Craftsman level. All right, I am now going to turn on my Bosch laser level. Now remember, this surface that it's sitting on is not level. We already checked that out. So, I've now got my Bosch laser level. Excuse it that it's dark, but I'm trying to do this in minimal light in my garage. And this level we show is level. And look at that. Oh, excuse me. That is really nice. It has self-leveled. Okay, lights, camera, action. So, I highly recommend the Bosch Professional GLL 30. I have read online disparaging comments about this, but I tell you what, from my checking, it's doing just fine. Perfect. And these can be picked up relatively inexpensive. I picked this up off of eBay for like 15 bucks. It's going to come in handy for my current deck job. Just a tip.